Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you stop others from showing your photos on Viber app. So it's pretty easy. At first, just go to your Viber app. Now make sure that you have already logged in with your phone number. Now just click the bottom last option, more, with three dot icon, this one. And after clicking it, just click on settings, the middle one. Now just click on privacy, the second option. And after clicking it, here you can see the fifth option here, show your photo. Just simply click it to disable it, like this. Now just simply clicking it, other users who aren't in your contacts won't see your photo anymore. So guys, that's how you can stop others from showing your photos on Viber. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.